LeedsMagneters. Just behind me there we've got Riley. Riley's got his own YouTube channel. I'm going to do a video of him today. It's Riley's Magnet Fishing Adventures. We've got Andy there, Craig there, and we've got a picture as always, Christmas hats on. It's a bit windy here today, so it might be a bit with the noise. Little shout out to Kieran Hurst on Kiwi Clobber Magnet Fishing Group. You guys that are on Facebook, click into it, have a look. You know, we're all on it. Great group to be in, great fella. Another little thing I need to say as well, sorry about this, is my apologies for a young fella called Cody, Malvina Redfern's son. When we did the video that week on the Sunday, it was his birthday, he was 4. He ended up being corrupted, so we ended up having to use the phone. Got rid of the camera now, so my apologies for that, but happy belated birthday, Cody. As you can just see, turn around down the bottom, we're out with Yorkshire Magneters. See if I can just get a bit of a pan out on that. No, I can't do it. So they're just right down bottom. We're up at Harold Park in Bradford. Nice little fisher lake. It's private. Guys asked us, my last Yorkshire Magneters, to do it. They've been at it for about 5 months. So I'm gonna just crack on. Riley's got his new magnet and rope. See, already in. Let's do a bit of magnet fishing. See you in a minute.
So guys, just put the microphone on, and Andy's just got something to show you.
Spanner, third throw, third catch.
Third throw and he's not coming again, thank God. She messaged Ian now, messenger, send a picture, say I've got a gun already. I tell you what, he'll wet himself.
Yeah, watch how fast.
Which one?
Go.
Ian John Black.
What?
Say, take a picture of it now and say she's got a gun out. BB gun. Yeah, I think I'm going to move over there, Andy. I think you're sacked.
So Reese's got some sort of like sink that you wash your hands in. So another Christmas present. Ho ho ho!
You'll be glad to know I didn't get out that time.
Yeah, bye guys. One more moment about you helping me. Fishing yourself there. I'll have to take this off, mate. Do me, Andy.
You've got 2 spanners.
Go away, Andy. This is Riley's with his new magnet 400, and show him that. His key is just
key.
Show it there.
The key.
It's looking all great, that, doesn't it? Riley, tell you what we didn't do. Oh, sorry, mate. Left my hammer in there, Anna. Did I ain't gone and dumb?
Go on.
Fred locked it. Magnet.
What do you want? The thread lock?
Too late now, anyway.
Can't we use that? There's some spanners in there just to proper tighten it. There, in that bucket. Little piece of scrap, guys. Penny. And a Smirnoff bottle top. That's cool. By the way, if anybody knows what about the bottles, LeedsMagneters, you know what, that come up with some nuts in. So if you can get back to me, see what it is. I ain't a clue about bottles. So cheers.
And anything else you need to know, guy on Facebook, Keith Pointer, the historian, check him out. He knows everything about everything. Great guy. He's given us some information on stuff that we've didn't even have a clue on, so check him out.
Also, if anyone needs a kitchen sink,
Get at me. Get at me. And Reese is like, anybody needs a kitchen sink?
Man, didn't know what you pull out in here.
Oh.
they only need a good jet wash.
Tap's not included.
Need a big bowl, top, that's it now.
Probably.
Just got a lighter.
Yeah. Little Riley's. First lighter.
I know, we have permission, so very, very rare you get permission off the private.
There we go, guys. 10p. I'm winning so far.
It's only like a... It's a wheeler bin. Yeah. So guys, look at that big one.
Found the metal bar.
It's part of a wheeler bin. So cool, guys. Reese has just got a bar.
Don't throw it on the floor. Get you the bucket.
So guys, we've got part of an exhaust. Look at that. There's loads of stuff in here. Loads. Guys, we're at, is it Arnold Park?
I've done it already.
Cool. Got a big piece. Don't know what it is, like a scaffold. So cool.
Give me Riley, you might put a camera have you got. We only just did your YouTube channel yesterday. Whatever you find, you put on there, and what I'll do is.
First ever gun?
Yeah. See if you can get in. Just put it a bit closer, Andy. There you go. Is it?
What the hell is that? Magnetic bottle.
Get it in there. Show your camera better. We'll have a look.
So I've got some sort of magnetic bottle. It's stuck to the magnet. So I'll let Billy take it off, see what it is.
Sink. Reese has only got a sink. We're doing well here.
So guys, this setup, some sort of like bar thing. Yeah, cool. Oh, and he's got 2p.
2 pence as well. Washers. Well guys, look, some washers
Strange.
in a bottle. Lovely little bottle. And I believe it's got a note in it on a bit of paper.
He's just found himself a nice BB gun. So cool.
Right, motorbike here or somewhere. Missed an off one. Spring.
Yeah.
Don't know what that is, guys. It's heavy. Solid.
One of the big bolt guys. It's oldish anyway. Apart from like a boat. Cool.
The camera angle's tilted for it. Right guys, I'm going to show you what everyone's got. Got a kitchen sink part. And we got BB gun and about 10 spanners. Got this box thing. Got an exhaust. Craig got that out. You had out good, Craig?
No mate, I've actually just had something interesting actually. If you have a look at this item here, by the way, Christmas season. Oh. So, we've got this thing here. I don't know what it is, right? But look at that. It's got a shoe heel attached to it.
Oh my god.
Shit. Well, it is like, but I don't know what that is like. It's looks like some sort of like an axle thing.
Yeah.
And I found the car exhaust, back a bit of an exhaust. So yeah, this spot's having quite a good view to find actually. So yeah, cool, I'll see you soon.
Let's go see Riley. You had out good, Riley? You had out good?
Yeah, I'll just look at outside.
You using your new magnet? Very cold and windy day today. It's a massive, is it a fishing pond this?
Fishing pond, yeah. Rad Fisher, Mariona. We come in today with Yorkshire Magneters.
They're over there in the very distance.
We're over there.
Try and zoom in a bit. We're over there and over there. Here comes the wind.
It's a little bit windy. It's feeling inside.
We're all in the festive mood.
Good morning. Right. Bookends.
We're all in the festive mood. We've got
Oh! Can't be. The year of giving. Don't give to receive.
So we'll put you back on the camera stand. And yeah.
I'm falling. Tell me why